Hello everyone, welcome back. We are currently on question number 26. On question number 26 we have a figure given. From the figure we are told that length sides KL is parallel to NM. So this is KL and KL is parallel to NM. If they are parallel, we come to understand that if they are parallel, that means the distance between these two sides is always the same. It's always a constant value. We're also told further that LN bisects angle KNM. Now this is a line LN, it bisects angle KNM. That is the angle at N. That means it divides the angle at N into two equal parts. That is what we need to understand. So basically we need to understand that fact. So we could say that if this side here is A, that means if this angle here is divided into two equal parts, that means the other side here would also be A. We need to get that fact clearly. We also come to realize that angle KLN is 54 degrees. And while angle MKN is 35 degrees. The question says we should calculate the size of angle KMN. We should calculate the size of angle KMN. Basically, angle KMN is the angle here. So we could call this angle here, we could call it Y. Let's call the angle there Y. Now, the hint, in order to calculate the angle at this point here, angle KMN, we need to understand that we are dealing with parallel lines. And in between parallel lines, we often have alternate angles formed. Alternate angles are usually in a form like this, so that I can have an angle here, let's say theta, where this is a parallel line, if these two are parallel lines, and the angle that will be formed at the other end of the line, which is also theta, we come to understand that both angles will be equal. Do we notice we have two parallel lines? These are the parallel lines. And we have a line separating them. We come to notice that we have an angle formed upwards here, and at the other end of the line we also have angle A. So basically, looking at this diagram, we come to understand that the angles here would be equal. That means if this point here is A, the value here should also be what's A. So this basically brings us to the fact that the angle here will be equal to A. So A will be equal to 54 degrees. So therefore, I could therefore say that angle KNL will be equal to angle KLN. What is the reason? The reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. So if that's equal, so basically we could say that the whole of the angle here, would be 54 plus 54. Basically the whole angle here will be 108 degrees. That will be the sum of the angles here. So if the sum of the angles there is 108 degrees, do we notice we have a triangle? We have a triangle like this. Yeah, this is side K, this is side N, this is side M. We have this point here as Y. We have this point here as 108 degrees. We have this point here as 35 degrees. Now if this is a triangle, we come to understand that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we could rightfully say that 35 plus 108 plus Y should be equal to 180 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees, so therefore we could say Y will be equal to 180. Now 35 plus 108, that would give me 143. So that would be 180 minus 143, and the angle Y would be equal to 37 degrees. But we recall angle Y represents the angle KMN. So therefore angle KMN would therefore be equal to 37 degrees.
Did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 08059811502 or 09035321117.